Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today, you guys read the title. We're gonna be talking about the truth about selling on Amazon. Is it as easy as it seems? And does the business model work? And other questions like, do you need an LLC? Basically, all the FAQs and other general concern. Because when I started out, these are the questions that I asked myself and I saw in the comment section. So now that I've started selling and have some experience, I can share it with you guys. So firstly, I'm gonna answer these two questions together. Does the business model work, and is it as easy as it seems? So for the business model, what I'm saying is it as simple as it seems? Like, can you just sign up for an Amazon account and just start selling, or are there like other technicalities to it that people are hiding? To that, I'm gonna say yes, it is what it seems like. You basically set up an Amazon account, you source your product from China, which is again not hard. You can just simply, all you need is your bank account and your credit card for you to sign up on an Amazon account. And then for sourcing products from Alibaba, it's not that hard. You basically find a supplier, pay them through PayPal, or if you want to do a wire transfer, you can do that too, but I prefer PayPal. And then you just simply pay them. The suppliers are already experienced with Amazon sellers, so you don't have to worry about too much about that. They know what to put on the labels and everything, and you can just start selling on Amazon. It's that simple. However, it's not that easy as it seems, so I'm gonna go through what challenges I face. Firstly, product research, and that's gonna tie into this question: is the product research as easy as it seems? So when I started out, I thought I'm just gonna buy Jungle Scout, put the criteria, and boom, I'm gonna get a lot of products and I'm just gonna start selling. Well, the truth is, the product research is really hard when you start out. There are a lot of products that, like, even after the criteria, it's really hard to find the perfect product. I'm not saying they don't exist, however, it takes a lot of time. Maybe it will take you a week. It's not like in the beginning I just thought I'm just gonna put the criteria and I'm gonna find a product in less than like 30 minutes. That's not what it is. It takes like hours to find a product, and they do exist. However, you gotta do a lot of research. You guys gotta check the numbers, make sure the product is not patented. So that's the hardest part about Amazon. But once you find a product, everything else is really easy. So I'm just gonna warn you guys, product research is the hardest part. Once you have a good product, smooth sailing from there. After that, you don't need to worry about anything. You just gotta find a supplier and then basically start selling. So yeah, so product research is not that easy. It takes a lot of time. There are products that exist, but they're really hard to find. But again, they do exist. Alright, so the next most asked question is, if you're under 18, can you sell on Amazon? And to that, I'm gonna say yes. As you guys can tell, I'm under 18 and I'm selling on Amazon. All you need is your parents' bank account information and their credit card, and you can use their name for like when signing up on Amazon. That's what I did, at least. I mean, I'm not sure if you can use your name and your bank account. You guys can search that up, but as long as you use your parents' bank account information and put their name on the Amazon account, you should be good. So the next question is, if you live outside the US, can you sell on Amazon.com? And to that, I'm gonna say yes. I live in Canada and I sell on Amazon.com because that's the biggest marketplace. Anyone can sell as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection and a laptop. You should be good to go. You can sell from in Asia, Antarctica if you want. There are a few countries that you can sell from. One of them is South Africa. But for the most part, 99% of the people can sell on Amazon, wherever you are. So, the next question is, do I need an LLC to sell on Amazon? So when you're starting out, do you need a LLC or anything like that? Do you need to register your company? And you don't have to do that in the beginning, at least for Amazon.com and in Canada. What you can do is start selling on Amazon, and once you have like sales and the product is successful and you're building a brand, that's when you register for an LLC. So, but in the beginning, you don't really need it. Again, just need an Amazon account, and you can source your products from Alibaba, and you should be good to go. And again, this is a really big question: how much money do you need to start on Amazon? I might do a separate video on this, but for now, I'm just gonna say, if I just have to throw out a number, I'd say at least 1,500 USD. Because that way you're safe. You can order like a good amount of products. Again, it depends on a lot of like how much your product costs and how much you're gonna pay on PPC and everything like that. But I'd say if you have $1,500, you should be good to go. So I think that's about it, guys. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment sections below. I reply to them really quickly, and I might even do a video on it. If you guys have a video request, maybe you want to learn how to do Amazon step by step, or how to set up an Amazon account, or whatever it is, just leave them down in the comments. I really appreciate it. And leave a like if you guys found value in this video, and subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of March. Yeah, I feel like it's possible, and I'm gonna start uploading daily. So again, guys, thank you for watching, and I'm out. Peace.